Hi, here we are again, Skills 1, Lesson 3. As always, we're going to start out counting with our fingers. You can pause and count from 1 to 10 on your fingers as many times as you want to, and then play whenever you're ready to come back. Alright, this is something that's new, so I want you to listen to some noises that I'm going to make. Okay, so now I'm going to do 2 of those noises together, and I want you to tell me if those noises are the same or different. Different or the same? Good job, different. What were those? The same or different? Probably heard my dog barking and letting her out. Okay, one more time. Same or different? Good job. Different. Okay, here we go. Same or different? Different. Good job. Same or different? Those were the same. If you'd like to pause it here, you can pause and revisit that with some different objects that are in your house. Okay, now this one is going to be kind of the same thing, how many noises, but we're going to use this as a way to tell how many noises they are instead of them holding up their fingers. My suggestion would be to draw this on a piece of paper and then give them some thing to put up there every single time. You could do it with, Cheerios or like a Skittle, M&M, something like that. So every time they hear a noise, they're going to put one object in the square, okay? If you need to pause it to draw this on a piece of paper, you can, and then play back when you're ready. Okay, so I've got some different noises this time. Ready? Here we go. So you would put one object up here, put another object, and then another object. Okay? The green star means go. The red dot means stop, just like in a sentence. The beginning is on this side, and the end is on this side. You can pause this and do this however many times you need to for practice. And then we are on to our greeting. Distinguishing your right from your left hand. Greet each other. Let them greet family members, and always shake with your right hand. Tell them your name. Look them in the eye. Say, hello, Miss Lassiter. I'm using my right hand to shake your right hand. What's left is your left hand. Okay. Then we're on to our tripod grip. Whenever you are grabbing your pencil, you don't want to grip it with your whole hand. Just hold it with the thumb and pointer finger and then rest it on your middle finger. Okay, one last time with follow me. I want you to get an object and be ready for me to tell you what to do. Are you ready? Let's go. I want you to move the ball around your legs first this time. Okay. Move the ball on top of your head. Raise your right arm and put it over your arm. Raise your left arm and put it under your left arm. Move the ball to the right of your body. Move the ball to the left of your body. Okay, this is the last thing you have to do. You need to do 3.1 and 3.2. That is pages 5 to 7 in your workbook. Talk to y'all tomorrow.